Here is the best styling advice on how to match the color of your shoe with the color of your outfit. I will take this as an example. We have here a navy dress with a little bit of white. Let's take this random navy dress that I found as an example. And no, it doesn't matter what kind of dress or outfit you have. This is just a principle that you can take and apply on your situation. First are shoes that have the same color as the dress. Navy shoes. And as a bonus tip for a dress like that, wear either stilettos or sandals. Nothing else with high heels would match a dress like that. Second is black, obviously. I think you saw this coming. The third would be nudes. But mind you, nude means the color of your skin. So no matter what skin tone you have, try to find a pair of shoes that have a similar color. When you wear it with whatever color your outfit has, it will just look like an extension of your skin, so it will match. And the last one is this. If you have white and you want to make it more elegant, choose to pair it with silver. And if you have any type of nude brown, take that color and pair it with gold in order to make it more elegant and luxurious. Going back to our example, just because you have a little bit of white in your dress, I would recommend you to either have navy shoes as the dress or take the white and pair it with silver. I think it will look amazing and it will be a little bit more spicier and elegant just because it's silver, not white. And also find shoes that you are comfortable in. I hope you find this useful, and if you have any other questions like this, please let me know, leave them in the comments, and also don't forget to follow for more fashion related content.